आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया टीवी, मैं हूं शिवांगी और आज है इंडिया कुटोर वीक का डे 3। अब आज का दिन भी बेहद इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि दो डिजाइनर्स साथ आने वाले हैं। पहले है अमित अग्रवाल का शो और उसके बाद है फाल्गुनी एंड शेन पीकॉक। और इस बार जो है फाल्गुनी एंड शेन पीकॉक के लिए अक्षय कुमार बनने वाले हैं शो स्टॉपर। तो आइए शो शुरू होता है उससे पहले बात कर लेते हैं थोड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से और जानते हैं कि उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है। So now we have with us the social media influencer Ashna Shroff. Hello Ashna, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Did you enjoy the show?
I loved it, of course.
What was your favorite part?
Honestly, I can't pick. There were so many lovely, intricate details, the colors, the lehengas. Oh my god, stunning.
Do you have anything to say about Akshay Kumar?
Oh, it was such a fun element, him walking in, him grabbing that leaf. Too much fun. Loved it.
And can you please also describe your look?
So I'm wearing a color that I actually don't wear as often, especially when it comes to this kind of silhouette, which is why I really like it. It's very different, and I also love that I've draped it this way because that's also very different for me.
Yeah, you're looking so beautiful for sure. And can you please say a statement about Falguni and Shane Peacock?
Of course, they are one of my favorites, and I am so glad that I could make it for this show today because I'm literally here just for one day. But I'm so happy I made it. The show was beautiful, and they are superstars.
And also, if you talk about your personal life, you recently got married to Arman Malik. How your married life is going? First of all, I want to ask.
Of course, it's going. I feel like it's there's not much difference. You're living with your best friend, and it's just fun. And actually, we wore Falguni and Shane for our reception, so it just feels really special to be here.
So I have with me Made in Heaven actress Trineti. How are you?
Hi, I'm so happy to be here. The show is beautiful and it's lovely to be talking to you.
And how was Amit Agarwal's collection?
Oh my god, I don't have words, honestly, because this is the first time I'm coming to an AA show. It's the first time at Couture Week and the first time wearing Amit as well, so lots of firsts. I was just sitting there admiring every piece, blown away, because it feels like you're sitting on a different planet and there's all of this light and sound happening. It's so theatrical. Each piece, like even the saris that have been draped into, those sculptures. I'm a major sari person. In fact, that's my staple, right? But to see the sari interpreted like this, never seen it before, ever. And it was just stunning. Stunning, yeah.
Do you think there is a Delhi-Mumbai divide in fashion as well?
Yes and no. I feel like, there's a lot of overlap, there's a lot of similarity. But creative people exist in both cities. And I haven't explored Delhi very well myself. But Made in Heaven was shot here. So we spent a significant amount of time exploring, the culture, especially weddings and wedding fashion and things like that. So no, I think art is universal and it exists everywhere. The controversial stuff we will not talk about on camera.
For sure, but we saw you in Made in Heaven. What are your next projects?
So Kankajura just came out on this thing in 30th May, so it's been about a month. Check it out if you haven't already, and other things time will tell and you will know.
तो इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद है बी टाउन की फेमस फैशन डिजाइनर अनायता श्रॉफ. Well, hi Anayata, how did you I would say, tell about Amit Agarwal show. What did you feel about it?
Well, Amit is a genius, and I think he showed couture in a way that we needed to see it. It was so good to see an endless flow of creativity. Also from him, I thought it was a new direction, and I've loved it. I'm dying to see people wear it, and I also want to see how it becomes more of a commercial collection as well.
Do you see a difference in Delhi-Mumbai fashion? Do you see a divide?
No, I don't actually. I think we're all great. It's one country, and as long as we're all celebrating fashion, which is what we're here for at Couture Week, I think it's all good.
What is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is being yourself, telling your story, being comfortable and feeling amazing.
Where I looked at time as a concept that narrates the best stories of our lives. And I think this time I looked at time from more inward lens, where I think the one thing that denotes time and makes our stories and is actually internal is the DNA. I think the idea of DNA and what it does to our life for the generations that we have been and the generations yet to come were narrated in 5 distinct stories. DNA is responsible for us to take form, to develop a shape. It helps us, grow, evolve, and finally tie in every single story that we've heard and we are yet to be. So that was, I think, the 5 stories that came together. A collection is never made in isolation. I think there are processes that start parallelly. So I think I can't really put a pin on when it started and when it ended, but I think that it's a constant process. So, and I think putting together the actual pieces may have taken around 4 months, but I think styling it with the right jewelry, collaborating with Eastwari to create the right jewels for the collection, and of course perfect watches with Nebula Titan was something that went on for a good 6 months. So I think it's a long process. I don't think that style gets boring if you keep evolving it. I think there is a dearth of new ideas, and I think that as a brand I need to keep pushing the same language forward, over and over again. I think it's with the same alphabets, how many words can you write? So it's pretty much the same. So technically each of the 5 groups had a very distinct material, starting from my favorite, which was the ikat. The last group was completely hand-woven ikat textiles that are upcycled, and I think it's also coded in the signature Amit Agarwal style to create a new narrative. I always look at ikat as a code, and I think that that was the benchmark for me. But I think right from, if you saw the hand-beaded crystals to little water droplets and all that layers of hand draping, right down to the first 2 materials where it was polymer, which is the brand signature material. And I think those were the new materials that came into play and how we kind of built the whole narrative together.
अमित अग्रवाल का शो, एंड आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि कितनी खूबसूरती से उन्होंने इक्कत को मॉडर्न डिजाइन्स में ब्लेंड किया। लेकिन अब बारी है फाल्गुनी एंड शेन पीकॉक की। तो इससे पहले शो शुरू होता है, बात करते हैं थोड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से और जानते हैं कि उनके मन में क्या चल रहा है। तो ओवर टू अदिति फॉर दिस। How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, it was amazing, it was really amazing.
And how was Akshay Kumar's performance?
Oh dude, seeing him in real life, I have no words,
Yeah, he was, for sure.
And can you say a few words about Falguni and Shane Peacock?
Dude, I love the wedding couture. Love it, love it. I mean, it's like since I'm an entertainment creator, I have no such experience about fashion, but I get to learn so many things being here, like surrounded by so many people. So yeah, it's an amazing experience.
And did you like their collection and the whole ramp walk and everything?
Yes, loved it. I know some of the models, they're my friends, and always here to support.
Show is always a visual treat. Everything that they do is larger than life and truly in couture style. Loved everything.
Do you want to say anything about Akshay Kumar's performance, showstopper?
He's always a complete performer. He was so good on the ramp. He's a showstopper for sure.
And what about Falguni, Shane Peacock?
Like I'm saying, I've been watching the shows over the years. I absolutely love them. I'm actually only down from Bombay to watch this one show.
And what was your favorite look?
I like everything they do, but I think for me, it's always the feathers and the ruffles that stand out.
Can you please describe your look as well?
Of course, I'm wearing Falguni and Shane. My jewelry is Hazuri Lal Legacy. My bag is I Spy. And my watch is Bulgari.
अब मेरे साथ हैं ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर अर्चना अग्रवाल। जी हाँ, जो शेन पीकॉक के राम कलेक्शन में आज ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर रही। हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, very well, thank you.
सबसे पहले तो हमें ये बताइए कि आज आपको ये शो कैसा लगा?
It was outstanding, no words. Beautiful. लग रहा था जैसे वो बोलते हैं अप्सरा धरती पे आ गई है, वही कमाल था आज।
आपके ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइन हमें तो काफ़ी पसंद आए। आप ये बताइए आपकी इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आती है?
मेरी इंस्पिरेशन नेचर से बहुत आती है, लाइक विद द फ्लावर्स, विद द एनिमल्स, वाटर, बट नेचर से आई एम रियली इंस्पायर्ड एंड आई एम वेरी मच इंस्पायर्ड विद अ बर्ड नेम कॉल्ड बुलबुल. So my pet name is also Bulbul, and I designed birds. I mean, 5-7 years before for the signature pieces when I designed. So that's my inspiration.
And can you please tell your favorite piece of today?
Favorite? Actually all are my babies, so all are my favorite. Yeah, but there were beautiful pieces of polkis which were going very well with the shining. There is so much shine in the garments of Falguni and Shane. But it was going so well, so I was very happy with those. Of course, diamond to like forever it goes very well. But the polki pieces, and they were little dull polish. They were not as bright as, and they were really going so well. And I was really happy to see.
And do you want to talk about Akshay Kumar's performance?
Oh, it's like cherry on the cake. He's too good, and he's too sweet and too courteous. I'm so happy that he's the showstopper today. Thank you.
And please say a few words about Falguni and Shane Peacock.
See, Falguni, Shane Peacock, we have done, this is the third show we have done together, and it's a long journey. So, together we do, they create such beautiful, outfits, a beautiful attire, and with the priceless, the timeless jewelry we do. So, history and modernity both goes together with that. So that's, and every time, like I feel कि अब next क्या होगा? Like इतना सब कुछ आ गया, बट एवरी टाइम आई सी दैट क्रिएटिविटी टू अ डिफरेंट हाइट.
मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद हैं फाल्गुनी एंड शेन पीकॉक दी एस डिजाइनर्स. तो आइए बात करते हैं इनसे और जानते हैं कि इनके कलेक्शन का थीम क्या है और इनका आइडिया क्या था. तो जैसा कि हमने आपका कलेक्शन देखा, मैंने नोटिस किया कि स्टार्टिंग में देवर अ किंग एंड अ क्वीन और उसके बाद पूरा कलेक्शन फॉलो हुआ. तो क्या थीम थी, क्या आइडिया आया?
So the collection name was Raj Mahal Bijou, means the royal jewels, and this garden is like a backyard of a palace where it is beautifully manicured hedges and with peacocks and sculptures and all. So we tried to create that sort of a Versailles garden, and the detailing is a lot inspired from jewelry, from the royal jewels. And I think the colors were all very pastel. It started pastel-y, and then we had like really dark deep colors in between to just break the look a bit. And then we did some beautiful textile saris. So like the collection had a lot of variation, and that's what we wanted to do. And I think the live performance really added the whole very Parisian sort of a feel to the show. So yeah.
You want to get this king and Maharaja Maharani wala kind of feel. When you had Akshay Kumar, which king or Maharaja you were thinking about?
I think more than King and Maharaja, I think it was a very royal look that we gave him, and I think that is very important because India has so much of heritage and culture, and I think that there is so much to choose and get inspired by that. So I think we took that little inspiration and put it into the way Akshay looked.
Well, you have dressed many celebrities. Which is one? Is there any one celebrity you haven't dressed and you eagerly want to?
We've almost dressed everyone, but I think if we are to talk about today's show, I think we had a great time dressing Akshay, and he was really himself, and that's what I feel. When you get celebrities, you have to let them feel themselves and be themselves, So that's what we did.
And Bollywood celeb Shane, you want to dress up?
I think I want to dress up everyone. There's no one particular. I want to dress up everyone. I think Rekha, Rekha is something that I think I would like to dress Rekha. I've not dressed Rekha, but definitely.
The nothingness is something you're not saying. Even angels tire of ecstasy.
After a long time, I'm doing this walk, ramp walk, and मुझे याद है आज से करीबन 12 साल पहले मैंने फिर एक बार रैम्प वॉक किया था. मैंने इन्हीं के साथ किया था, and it's been an honor doing that, and I have enjoyed each and every bit of it. Especially मतलब मैंने देखा है कि कितना हार्ड वर्क जाता है एक शो करने के लिए, ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, और 25 मिनट के अंदर पूरा का पूरा शो ख़त्म हो जाता है. लोग इतना सज धज के आते हैं और 25 मिनट के अंदर पूरा का पूरा शो ख़त्म हो जाता है. बट आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट Shane and Falguni, they have the way they present themselves in such an international way. I think they have made India so proud, and I wish them lots of luck, and I hope I get another chance to be with them, and thank you very much for asking me to do this, and thank you again. Thank you.
Guys, did you like the show? Falguni and Shane once again in Delhi, the real stars. And thank you very much. वो बोलते हैं सोने पे सुहागा, and that's what Akshay did. I tried to copy the show, whatever he was doing. It's impossible, only he can do it, and you're looking marvelous. I want to mention that this show has been presented by Pearl Academy, and the beautiful jewelry you saw was from Archana Agarwal. Wants to ask one question all the time, and that is, it's a cliched question. How do you feel in a Falguni Shane attire?
Well, I feel very royal.
फाल्गुनी एंड शेन ने दिखा दिया कि रॉयल होना क्या होता है। किंग्स एंड क्वींस अगर आज के ज़माने में होते तो उनका फैशन कैसा होता। वेल, उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि कैसे पैलेस के बैकलॉन्स को उन्होंने इमेजिन किया, और आप देख सकते हैं उन्होंने इसे एक फैशन शो में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया। और अक्षय कुमार तो शो स्टॉपर थे ही, लेकिन उनकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही अप लेवल पर पहुंच चुकी थी। वेल, ये अभी भी ट्रेलर ही है। जी हाँ, अभी भी बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स अगले काफी सारे दिन आने वाले हैं, इसलिए बने रहें हमारे साथ, यानी कि इंडिया टीवी के साथ।